Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be very special because it is all about online shopping. I know बहुत लोग बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेट हो चुके हैं मेरी तरह और हम लोग कहीं बाहर नहीं जा सकते तो हम लोग सिर्फ और सिर्फ ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करें. सो मैंने तो बहुत ज़्यादा शॉपिंग करी है. डेली मेरे पैकेजेस घर पे आते हैं एंड आई डोंट नो इसमें से मैं कितना रखने वाली हूँ, कितना वापस करने वाली हूँ. सो आई एम गोना क्विकली शो यू कि मैंने क्या क्या ऑर्डर किया और मैं सारे डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूँगी कि मैंने कौन सा प्रोडक्ट कहाँ से ऑर्डर किया है. So let's just get started. So this is the first product that I ordered from Forever 21 and it is black joggers. Let me just open this. So this is how it looks and I quite like the fabric. It's quite stretchy and also it comes with this silver chain that I'm not a fan of. So I'm not gonna use it. And let's just try to put it on and see how it looks on me. So this is how it looks on me and I kind of like it because it's comfortable, it kind of looks cool. Also it has these, these bands over here, narrow bands. And also it comes with this chain as I told you. So you can just attach it over here on your belt loops. I don't know if I'm gonna do that or not, but it's quite okay, yeah. What do you say, guys? I don't know. I think I'm gonna give this maybe 8 out of 10. Alright, the next product that I got is from H&M. Yeah, it is from H&M and it's a paperback trouser again in black. I don't know why I'm buying black clothes these days. Okay, so this is how it looks and I think it is perfect for summer because the fabric is very soft and it looks quite promising on the model. So let's just put it on and see how it looks on me. So this is how this paperback trouser looks on me and I just love the fact that I don't look fat in this, maybe because of the color or maybe because of the fitting of this trouser. And it's quite comfortable to wear in summers and you can just go out there without any worries. So I kind of like these trousers and yeah, it's kind of cool, right? So I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. Alright, so the next product that I got is from Zara and it's a red colored cotton top. It's a crop top basically and I love the detailings over here. As you can see, it has all the frills and everything. So it looks kind of cute and also I don't have any red top with me. I think this is my first red top. So I'm quite skeptical about this and also it looks very pretty on model. I don't know if I can pull it off. So let's just put it on and see how it looks on me. So this is how it looks on me and I just love everything about this top. I mean the fitting, it sits perfectly on my arms. It is not loose, not very tight and I just love it. So I'm just gonna give this top a 10 out of 10. So the next product that I ordered is from Zara and it's a shirt. And I ordered this thing in extra small size and I don't know what's going on in here. It's too big for me, I think. So let's just put it on and see how it looks on me. So this is how it looks on me and I am having quite a funny moment over here. The sleeves are too big for me, too long for me and I don't know. I just don't like it. I don't know what's wrong with this shirt. I ordered an extra small size but still it is big for me. But I quite like the fabric of this shirt and the color scheme of this shirt. So I'm gonna give it 5 out of 10. Alright, so the next item that I got is this linen paperback trousers from H&M and this one looks quite promising to me. I don't know why, but I just kind of like this fabric because it is just perfect for the summers. So let's just put it on and see how it looks on me. So this is how it looks, guys, and I just love the fact that how summery this outfit looks and it's super cute, super comfortable to wear in summers to go out. And also this fabric is linen, so please just make sure that whenever you go out you need to iron it first because this kind of fabric gets wrinkled very fast, very easily. So I'm gonna give this outfit a thumbs up and I love it. Alright, so the last product of this haul has to be a ethnic wear because I love wearing ethnic. So I got this suit from Bunai and I just love it. I mean, just look at all this fabric. It has so much of fabric. It has all the layers over here and I just love the color especially. Also it comes with a dupatta. Yeah, there it is and I just love all these detailings. You can see all these tassels over here. Also for this suit I brought a slip-on from Ajio to pair it with, and this is how it looks. So I'm just quickly gonna wear this and show you guys how it looks on me. So this is how it looks on me, guys. I am just obsessed with this. I mean, look at this fabric. It has so much of extra fabric over here, and I just love the fact that it cinches me on places. It's a perfect fit for me, and I can definitely wear it on any kind of a day function or on any kind of a festival. So a big thumbs up to this product, and I'm gonna keep it. So this is it, guys. I hope you all liked the video, and if you liked it, then give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'm gonna see you super soon. Bye.